In this lesson, we're going to bring everything you've learned so far. You learned about the staff, you learned about whole, half, quarter, dotted half notes, whole, half, and quarter rests. And we're going to start to bring it all together with pitches and notes and actually look at writing notes on the staff. So there's three things to know before we head in and zoom in and really look at these notes on the staff. The first thing to talk about is that notes are placed on the lines and in the spaces of the staff to show different notes. The higher sounding notes are up towards the top of the staff or up towards the ceiling, and the lower sounding notes are towards the bottom of the staff down towards the floor. So let's zoom in and take a look. So number one are going to be line notes going from low to high. You can see that down here, this is low. And up here, we're going up, this is high. So we go from low to high. And these are all the notes on the lines. You can see we have a note on line 1, 2, 3, 4, and line 5. Now let's look at line notes going from high to low. So we have line note starting on line 5 going down to line 1, and up here is high, and down here is low. High to low. Up towards the ceiling is high, up towards the sky is high, down towards the floor is low. Now let's look at some notes written in the spaces of the staff. Written in space 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again, we're going from low up to high. And then in the spaces from high down to low. So you have space 1, 2, 3, 4, space 4, 3, 2, 1. And it always works like this. Whenever you have notes that are higher up on the staff, they're always going to be higher than the notes that are below them on the staff. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing and I will see you in the next video.